Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. Welcome to this quick overview tutorial using the LSP Dreamy Butterfly overlays. If you haven't already, please watch video tutorial number 1 where I show you step by step how to install the actions, get butterflies into your library, how to quickly get started and use these for best practices, tips and tricks. This is a really super quick video where I'm just showing you a demo of the butterflies and a few additional tricks that you can use to get them to blend with your images. Beautiful outdoor shot here. Let's use the actions to apply and blend some butterflies. So I'm going to click apply butterfly and layers. For this one I think we're going to want to use some Monarch butterflies. They'll work really beautifully with this scene. So I'm just double clicking, and remember to resize the sharpest butterfly to be the accurate size on your image. Now let's go for another one. Let's have another Monarch group. Just double clicking, resizing to the sharpest. Now all the layers are set up so we can tweak. I'm going to click the layer mask of the first one we added. You can turn them on or off to see which one that is, and I'm going to grab my brush set to back and just delete any overlappers. What I'd also like to do is add a little blur to this one, so I'm going to grab a white brush and paint the blur on. It's all set up for you. And one more thing I'd like to do is have a butterfly on her shoulder. So I'm going to apply a butterfly, I'm going to come down to the individuals and find one that will work on her shoulder. I'm going to right click this and flip horizontal. That means just mirror image it. Let's get it the right size. Let's sit that guy on her shoulder. Paint a shadow under. Remember the shadow trick. Squash your brush down. Angle it the right way. And let's just shrink that using square brackets and get that angle going like this. And we're just painting a shadow under. Remember, black means hide, white means show when it comes to any layer mask, including the shadow. So painting a dark shadow one with white can seem a bit confusing, but we're showing the shadow layer mask. And we just added a little shadow. And you can pad this out now by getting a soft round brush if you wanted to. My finger is on the X key, so I can switch back and forward between show and hide. At any point you can resize any of the butterfly layers because they're all individual layers. So let's see where we were, zoom in, and where we finished. And that was super quick, wasn't it? And we've added instantly this beautiful scene. If you haven't already, please watch the main tutorial where I show you everything you need to know, or you can watch more of these mini tutorials to show you more tips and tricks and scenarios for using these butterflies. I can't wait to see what you create. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.